Before you think about tossing out those old magazines and newspapers, hold up. Today, I'm going to show you 10 ingenious ways to repurpose them and give them a new life. Let's dive in. 1. Decorative wall art. First up, wall art. Grab your most colorful magazine pages and cut out images or patterns you love. Arrange them into a collage or frame, them for a unique and personalized wall decoration. It's an easy way to add a splash of color and personality to any room. 2. Custom gift wrap. Next, gift wrap. Newspapers and magazines make for eye-catching and eco-friendly gift wraps. Use the comic section for a fun, retro vibe, or glossy magazine pages for a chic look. Add a ribbon and your gift is ready to impress. 3. Basket weaving. Feeling crafty? Try basket weaving. Roll newspaper strips into rods and weave them together to create everything from coasters to fruit baskets. It's surprisingly sturdy and definitely a conversation starter. 4. Seed starters. Gardeners, listen up. Use old newspapers to make biodegradable seed starters. Simply wrap the paper into small pots, fill them with soil, and plant your seeds. Once they sprout, you can plant them directly into the ground, pot and all. 5. Shelf liner. Upgrade your shelf game. Line your drawers or shelves with magazine pages. Not only does this protect the surfaces, but the vibrant pages add a hidden pop of art to your furniture. 6. Fashion accessories. Fashion forward. Create unique accessories like purses, necklaces, or earrings from magazine pages. These can be laminated for durability and styled to stand out. It's recycling meets a runway. 7. Packing material. Moving soon? Shred old newspapers to use as packing material. It's an eco-friendly alternative to plastic bubble wrap and keeps your belongings safe during the move. 8. Compost material. Add carbon to your compost. Shredded newspapers are great for balancing out your compost bin, especially if you have a lot of kitchen scraps which are nitrogen-rich. Just make sure to use ink that's non-toxic and soy-based. 9. Cat litter additive. Lastly, for pet owners, mix shredded newspaper into your cat's litter box. It helps absorb odors and extend the life of your litter. Just another way to put that pile of old papers to good use. 10. DIY Decoupage. Ready for one more? Let's talk about decoupage, a fantastic way to transform old furniture, create beautiful art pieces, or jazz up home accessories. You'll need your old magazines or newspapers, some glue or decoupage medium, and a bit of creativity. Start by selecting images, patterns, or text from your magazines that catch your eye. Cut these out neatly. For a more abstract look, you can tear the pages to get a rugged edge. Next, arrange your cutouts on the item you're decorating, such as a tray, a coaster, or even a tabletop. Once you're happy with the design, glue the pieces down. After the glue dries, apply a layer or two of the decoupage medium to seal your work. This not only adds a professional finish, but also protects your masterpiece. And voila! You've created a one-of-a-kind item that's both personal and stylish. Decoupage is an easy and enjoyable way to breathe new life into objects around your home. Give it a try and let your creativity shine. And there you have it. 10 creative ways to repurpose your old magazines and newspapers. Which one was your favorite? Try these tips out and let us know how they work for you. If you found these insights helpful, don't hesitate to like, share, and spread the word. Your support fuels our passion for uncovering the secrets behind sustainable living and cost-effective tools and methods to save you time and money. Subscribe to discover empowering and cost-effective home and health wisdom that keeps you one step ahead and the envy of your friends and neighbors. Turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. And as always, please be well, be wise, and take care.